matiyo kod bombe. Jolony e weche mag kothe momedie nyinyo mong'ere kaka GMO okwedo joma osebedo ka kwedo ber mar kothego. Jolony weche mag science go mong'ere kaka Kenya University Biotechnology Consortium wacho ni wach mar GMOs onego twakie matut kod jokanyo kamoting'o jopur kod Jokenya mondo chung' motegno obedie e wi kothego. Ma biro e kinde maparo mopogore opogore pod medo nyuolore pacho ka e wi ber kata rach mag kothe momedie nyinyo.
To help the current government to fix the food security situation in the country, in order that we should not see any Kenyan dying of hunger. We know that GM technology itself cannot guarantee this, but as we said earlier, it's a complementary technology that will enhance food availability and lower prices for the final consumer.
We are again about to make another mistake and continue losing instead of discussing the right things. Discuss the technology, discuss its efficiency, discuss how the seeds will, the pricing. Let's discuss about the scope, because matters about pricing of seed. Even right now, farmers are buying hybrid seeds. So I don't know why it becomes more swaggy and trendy to only discuss about prices when it comes to GMO.